Local gauge transformation is defined similarly to global gauge transformation, except that now the parameter for the transformation, alpha, the phase, depends on space-time. We have strong reasons to believe that this should be a good symmetry for any fundamental physics theory. And the reason is that our theories are local. That means that the Lagrangians is expressed as function of fields, which are all expressed at the same position in space-time. If you take, for instance, the Yukawa interaction Lagrangian, we see that all fields are expressed in the same x. Locality is required because otherwise we will have the possibility for two fields to interact at different positions and at the same time, for instance, and that violates causality according to relativity. Therefore, we always impose our Lagrangians to be local. And that, as a result, means that the physics should not depend on a local phase, a phase expressed at a given point of space-time. And therefore, we believe that there is local gauge invariance and that it should be built into any fundamental theory. So let's first check if the Dirac-Lagrangian is local gauge invariant. Now the covariant derivative acts on alpha because it is a function of space-time. So we see that the Dirac-Lagrangian is not local gauge invariant because it is transformed under the local gauge transformations, and therefore it cannot describe properly fermionic fields because we expect local gauge invariance to be a good symmetry of fundamental theory. So we need to reformulate our theory for fermions.